Guys, I have these two illuminators which are loved by you all from different brands. One is from the house of Swiss Beauty and the other one is Mars Cosmetics. Let's see which one wins the game.
Swiss Beauty Illuminator retails for 249 and is for 35 grams and it is in the shade golden pink. Whereas Mars Illuminator retails for 229 for 30 ml and this is in the shade light beam. So now I'm using my Nika's anti-pollution foundation just to see how these illuminators work on top of a foundation.
So here is my final verdict. The packaging of both of these is convenient and travel friendly. However, the shimmer particles are bigger in Swiss Beauty one compared to the Mars Cosmetics one. This one is great if you're going to attend an event because this will give you a bam in your face kind of a highlight, whereas this one gives you a very nice, juicy, glossy, wet sort of a look, and it has finer shimmer particles. So this is great for everyday use. Plus you can apply it on your bare skin. It looks that beautiful in person. So I will highly recommend it for everyday use. For me, both of these are great. It's just that they are made for different purposes.